Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Alright, first month is of Wands in reverse. Okay. Third month is Ace of Pentacles. Okay, fourth is. So, Virgo, you're losing your passion in some situation. There's a lack of passion, lack of electricity, lack of attraction which you're feeling right now in a connection, and because you somehow feel that you may probably if you what you don't see is your indecisiveness about the situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands for the first week. Yes, you're not taking this offer because you feel it's not as passionate. You are better off than this. You're not very. You feel that this will somewhere bring you pain. This will somewhere bring you that whole peace of mind will be lost. That's why you're not taking this offer, and that's why there is no passion. There is no nothing from your side which is being contributed towards this. Let me clarify the second witch, which is the Emperor. So second week you're walking away because you feel that you want to focus on work right now. You really want to work in the group, work towards your wish fulfillment, work towards your what do you call career, finances, more than focus on money. Ace of Pentacles is in the third week. Let's clarify that. But you're walking away from relationships for some strange reason. So you feel that the change in your financial status will give you this prosperity, because I feel that now seeing all the clarifying cards, you feel that you're not good enough for something. That is why you feel that you won't be able to give that person much in a relationship, and that's why you want to focus more on making money, and I think money will start looking very good from the second week onwards, and you will definitely achieve that project, or get that job, or probably that project, or in business. That will give you much fulfillment rather than a relationship which you don't not too excited about. Let me clarify what you're holding on to in the last week. So Four of Pentacles, you're still holding on to the need to earn more money. You feel that this current relationship or this current offer isn't something which is very great, because you feel that you deserve more, and you have the strength to live alone. I feel that till you find the right person, because right now you're focused on money, you're focused on more abundance, more growth in terms of your career, rather than focus on relationships is what I'm seeing here. Let me clarify this with Major Arcana cards. I'll take out 3 cards. Yes, so things will definitely change in terms of money. Emperor coming twice means that you will be in a position to command. You will get maybe a promotion, maybe some better position than you are right now. But you need to change your perspective in terms of love. I feel changes are due for positive. Success is you cannot avoid success this month. You will get success in whatever you're putting your efforts into. But you're not putting your efforts into love. You're putting more of your efforts into your career and making yourself more sustainable, more a reliable person, because you feel that right now you're not in a position to attract love. You are more in a position where you have to focus more on your growth. This is what your current state of mind is, and you will achieve that success definitely this month. Let's see how you can handle the situation. So be less critical. So you need to be less critical this month, and also do some charity work. So think about people around you rather than only think about yourself, and be let don't let that enthusiasm die, because somewhere you know, because if we focus more only on work and not on other aspects of your of our lives, we leave out I mean we lose on enthusiasm for life. And that is what you know, you might you should be reminded of this month, that be enthusiastic, think about other people too, and don't find faults, don't be too critical about people around you. Let them, you know, everybody's trying their best, let them be. You, whatever you are focusing on, you will definitely get. Yes, you will get you know, abundance, you will get you know, things will definitely start changing. Magician and Wheel of Fortune indicate that an Ace of Pentacles, definitely you'll get a better offer, you'll get an offer which you will see yourself in a better position by the end of this month where you are currently. So something very good, very substantial is coming towards you this month in terms of money, career, growth, right? So this is all I have for you for this month, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, so that we can meet regularly. Thank you for watching.